All right, in this problem, we've got the values 6, 9, 11, 33, 14, and 23. And the question asks us, what is the mean of this data? So what do they mean by mean? Well, they mean the average. And to figure out the average, what we're going to do is we're going to add up all the values, and then we're going to divide by the number of values. So we're going to add 6 plus 9 plus 11 plus 33 plus 14 plus 23, and there are 6 values, so we're going to divide by 6. So if we add 6 plus 9 plus 11, that's 26, plus 33, that's 59. Then we have 69 and 73, and then 73 plus 23 is going to be 96. So we're having 96 divided by 6. So let's do that, 96. So again, we added these all up. We got 96 divided by 6. 6 goes into 9 once. 9 minus 6 is 3. Bring down the 6. And 6 goes into 36 exactly 6 times, leaving us a remainder of 0. So 16 is 96 divided by 6. 16 is therefore our mean.